Hello students, how are you doing? So don't forget to take precautions of coronavirus. Stay at home, don't play out, wash your hands, be safe. So let's see our new video. Today we will going to learn vocabulary words with meaning. So here I have written 10 words. In the first column I have written some different words. In the second column, I will tell you the meaning of words in English. In the third column, I will going to tell you the meaning of word in simple Hindi so that student can understand well. So I will start with the first word. The first word is impossible. Meaning in English, cannot be done. Meaning in Hindi, namumkin. Next word is talented. In English, a special skill or ability. In Hindi we can say किसी की खूबी. Next word is allowed. Meaning let something happen. In Hindi we can say इजाज़त देना. Next word is gathered. Meaning in English, brought together. In Hindi, इकट्ठा. Next word is oceans. Meaning very large bodies of salt water. In Hindi we can say samandar sagar. Next word is demand. Means to ask for something. In Hindi we can say mang. Next word is saddest. Means most unhappy. In Hindi dukhi. Next is trouble. Meaning danger, problem. In Hindi we can say musibat. Next word is remember. Means to think of something that happened in past. In Hindi, याद रखना. The last word is perform. Means to present something like a play or dance. In Hindi we can say पेश करना. So here we have completed all the 10 words with its meaning. Hope you have understood well.